Okay, I'm here again. Oh yeah. And today, presenting a new magic from Magnus, the magician, slash guitarist. Okay, so you will see here another magic from Magnus. And let's do it, Magnus. Okay. You will fly later.
Later.
Okay, okay.
Just wait. I'm gonna find the aces.
Okay.
Okay, that's one. One ace.
One ace.
Second.
Second ace. As you can see, there's one heart ace, one diamond ace,
What's the two? There.
one spade of ace, and one ace of clubs.
You see that?
Yeah.
I hold again the aces.
Okay.
Okay. Just wait. Okay.
Okay.
How many aces are there?
There are four aces.
Okay. My ace.
Okay.
One,
Okay.
two, three, four.
Okay.
I put them in the top.
Okay. The top.
Okay.
Okay.
I put the four ace here.
Okay.
I put one ace in the bottom of the deck.
Okay.
One shake, one snap. There.
Whoa!
So, one more time. I put
Okay.
one here.
On
One
the
shake,
top.
one snap. Boom. Did you see it jump on the bottom?
I can see. Can I?
There.
Whoa! What
One
the
more
hell?
time. I put one more card here.
You're so demonyo.
One more card here.
Okay.
One
Upside
shake,
down, upside
one,
down.
one
Okay.
shake, one snap. Did you see jump on top?
I didn't see. Look. Oh my God! What's that?
One more time. I
Another
put
one.
one,
The last one.
card here. Now I don't want another card in the top.
Okay.
I don't want another card in the bottom.
Okay.
I want the card here, in the middle of the deck, upside down.
Where is it? Where is it?
Hold it. Hold on. Hold on. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I can find the... There it is!
Oh, there it is! Oh my God, you're so good. It's awesome magic. Did you see that?
Wait, I'm gonna fly again.
Okay. Again?
Yes.
Oh, you will disappear again, huh? Okay. You take care and learn some magics for me. Okay. Take care.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, nasaan ka na? Hello. 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 Saan na yun?